Horses out, Lalas Gold. Pass to begin, 9 seconds. Security Rose, Joyful Ballad. Then followed by Star Quality, Wabi Sabi. And Mutia ng Pasig trails the field by about 7 to 8 lengths up the pace. We have Lalas Gold leads the way by about 6 lengths. Security Rose in second. And in third, Joyful Ballad, Star Quality, Wabi Sabi. And Mutia ng Pasig still racing in less. Meanwhile, we have Lalas Gold showing the way by about 5 lengths. And in second, still is Security Rose, Wabi Sabi, Joyful Ballad alongside Star Quality and Mutia ng Pasig. And that's still Lalas Gold by about 4 lengths. Security Rose remains in second, Joyful Ballad in third, running by the fourth, Wabi Sabi, Star Quality and Mutia ng Pasig. And that's still Lalas Gold by about 5 lengths. Security Rose still in second, Joyful Ballad. Then here comes Mutia ng Pasig now in third. And as they come down at the last 100, and that's still Lalas Gold by about 7 lengths. Security Rose still in second, and in third, Mutia ng Pasig. Last 50 meters, and that's still Lalas Gold. Second, Security Rose. Then comes close, Mutia ng Pasig, Wabi Sabi, Joyful Ballad, and Star Quality.